hamstring.
We got it! We got it! We got it!
Fuck! Yep.
Available because of a knee injury. He must have fun, and now this one is knocked out by Javon.
We're going to Super Bowl.
Recovered by the
I'm not.
Giants.
But they are.
Inside field goal range.
Fuck.
Javon Williams, when he comes in there, he's able to then make a play on the ball. And
I really heard it.
see Devin Thomas. The hustle that he has getting down the field. And the same kind of hustle that we saw earlier on the muff by Kyle Williams.
Oh,
Some
fuck.
two big plays then in the kicking game. So the New York Giants getting great field position, as you said, Joe, already right here in field goal position. This is the San Francisco team that's been
Just get him off the fucking field.
Really, drag him by his
Grab
face
him
now.
fucking by the helmet.
Right.
Fuck him.
Drag him off the field.
Yeah.